Hello, I'm John Kuhn from Kuhn Law Firm. With so many do-it-yourself forms on the internet, you might think that an estate planning attorney isn't really necessary to properly plan your estate. But before you start downloading these forms, there are a few things you should consider. For starters, laws change. What might be considered legal language today might not work later. And if a judge decides your will or trust is invalid because it doesn't meet state laws, the courts will decide how to distribute your estate for you. The next thing you need to remember is that circumstances change. You might get married or divorced. You might have a new baby, a new grandchild, or your spouse might pass away first. You may come into an inheritance and require some new assets as a result. All of these changes should be included in your estate plan, but to change your plan, you have to follow some very specific legal rules. But here's the most important reason that a do-it-yourself form isn't a good idea. Life is not generic. I'm willing to bet that your family and your estate have some pretty unique aspects to them. But these do-it-yourself forms are very generic. In fact, they're designed to address only the most common estate planning issues. They can help you say who gets what, but is that really all you need? Maybe you have minor children you need to provide for, or perhaps have children from more than one marriage. Maybe you have a disabled dependent that will require ongoing care. These unique situations are exactly what an estate plan is for. But you need someone with experience to make sure it gets done right. An experienced estate planning attorney can give you guidance and support that you just can't get from the internet. So you need to make sure you ask questions like, who should I choose to act as my trustee? How can I ensure that my heirs use their inheritances wisely? What can I do to ensure their wishes are adequately protected? There are many, many more equally important ideas that an experienced estate planning attorney can answer your questions and address your concerns. Internet forms and McDonaldized documents won't do that for you. So how can you really be sure that your plan is what you want? These are questions an estate planning attorney can help you answer. Those do-it-yourself forms only offer a disclaimer. If you would like to learn more about creating your own estate plan, contact our law office today.